Do at least 60% of the students in Pat's class walk to school? All right, let's look at clue 1. At least 60% of the female students in Pat's class walk to school. At least 60% of the students, the female students. So that doesn't help me any. So clue 1 doesn't work, because we're trying to figure out males and females. Number 2, the number of students in Pat's class who walk to school is twice the number of students who do not walk. So if I let X be do not walk, the number of students in Pat's class who walk to school